Michael leor, Majin Waidi Vicarja, and Ishtami Giri Gulfried na noti sa leor Samhlaíocht Marialler character Paul and far Dall an train agus an sin be me Giri Gulfried McCudge noti hen agus be shed shoot le folum agav an sin, okay? So Paul, an Gia Dall sheas. To begin with, is dinna Dall Paul. He's blind. Ta she Dall. A nuas sin, in addition to that, tá sé falling go donna le hasma. He's suffering badly go donna go hulk le hasma with asthma. Mar sin tá sé jacker go leor Dall chimple agus tá sé buganín amski da war. So it's hard for him to get around agus tá sé buganín amski and he's a wee bit clumsy or awkward da war sin. Vector é sean nor a hagan sé is jocks a carriage to train at Glenna Wata shul. We see this when he's getting on the train with the bata shul, a wala tashil his wee travel bag, agus an mala paper done agus darnoe on Cáca Milish isji on Cáca Milish. As far nyau kujak muninach agus sainte gan auris. So he's nyau kujak. He's harmless, muninach, confident, agus ta sé sainte, he's gullible or naive, gan auris, gan doubterby. Is cosul go gregin sé go mé dini ella, few stranchery, cowrock, trokerach, agus crasta lesh. So it seems that he believes other people, even strangers, will be cowrock, cudgel, helpful, trokerach, merciful, that's what troker means, mercy, agus crasta, sin fokalele or kenyalta, kind. Tushka V Cumish, because of his me Cumish, his disability, Brahan sé go mór crastacht dini ela sa sail. He depends a lot on crastacht, on kenyaltas, on the kindness of other people in life. Tá riachtanis specialta ega gan auras, so he has special needs, riachtanis specialta, agus dé tá ra gohfuil sé sais pastule sa kiel Oregon sé core, and you could say dé ha a ra gohfuil sé sais pastule gohfuil sé kenyal cosul le past, that is childlike, sa kiel Oregon sé core in the way that he looks for help and depends on others, okay? Tá sé hien mi aineach, freshen, so he's impatient, mi aineach. So ve just go lanan sé erig kaint fuin gafe because he continues on talking about the coffee. Who's like bar and shop? So he goes on about the coffee agus nach me an lesh fannacht lesh an trolley, and he doesn't want to wait for the trolley, so he's kind of me aineach impatient. Tan cusalach there gwil sé milcha ag dini ella. You could say that he seems a bit milcha, a wee bit spoilt by other people in a hale. Jen and she Eric nod the horch to Catherine Dall sheas an tray and hon an cafe a aildo. He tries to kind of give a hint, nod, to hint to her to go down the train to get him the coffee. Ag minu di gohfuil sé ag tastailuí lena cíiste, explaining to her that he wants it with his cake, lena cíiste, lena Cáca Milish. Ní higann sé go gorann sé asta gini ella, lena chud scéalta agus gatíochta. He doesn't understand gohfuil sé churis jacker gini ella, that he's bothering other people with all his stories and his gatíocht, the way he carries on. Tagan ahas nar hugann sé fadger onagu gohfuil ban ega mar coluder an train. So he's happy when he notices nor hugann sé fadger from her voice that it's a woman a vase in a coluder ega that will be in a cudjachta in his company on the train. Is doihe go gapan sé go mén mra nís fainni. Maybe he thinks that women are nís fainni, more patient, agus nís sheva and more gentle, na na fur on a cudj tahi hen or in scale from his than men in his experience in life on a tahi hen. Little did he know. As far kainchake, he's chatty, agus capan sé go mé simmig Catherine in a cudj kaincha when a hail parsanta. So he's chatty and he thinks she's going to be interested in his sale parson to his personal life. Bruin sé hen or he an honest do hen, and he kind of pushes himself, he pushes himself into her company without realising it, in honest do hen. Trasni and sé on linia in a swas privajak ar an train, he crosses the line in her personal space in the train, agus lena chudj kaintse, and with the chatting, agus keshtina, agus ní glachan Catherine lesha, she doesn't accept this, ní glachan she lesh. Ta fun kaintse Paul, Boile Paul vehe kaintse an tamerfad, bug ban a coluder, so he just wants to chat regardless of the coluder of what his company wants or those in his company. Buineann sé tatnú as na rudí simply sa sail. He enjoys the simple things in life. Darnoi. Sierra Kush Tra, Holidays by the Beach, on Torres Trainach, the journey itself, a Cáca Milis, Vehig Kainch Fuina Hennis talking about his chinnis, his asthma, August a Kircher and Station Radio, and even his visit to this radio station. Tan Comer and Scale go gaihi she an la fad a Kainch Fuina Vin Sonri a hail that he could spend the whole day talking about the Min Honri, the minor details of his life. So he wants to talk about the wee details of his life. There's your Tishel Ginnajuk and Shin, the details of his life. Durajurgaran Kainchor me Jershe. They said that I was a great chatter, he said, a Kainchwin Kirch Aaron Radio. Tashi Saint is naive. Sakia Gregin Shin a Brega a Inchi and Catherine Doe in the way that he believes the Brega, the lies that she tells him. Kego will na réirc taven we a rolas ega de glan viewer, although he knows na réirc the views taven we den inyog, the glan viewer off by heart, Olas and Valley. Fos bein she trina kela nor a clushin chef win luch agus na boaj. But he's still trina kela, he's still upset when he hears about the supposed lake and boats that aren't there at all. Cregin she and scale fuin beish sa Cáca freshen. He also believes the story about the paist, the worm, sa Kishja. Agus bein she scanrihe da war, bein agla air agus tagan leanri air. He gets scared and kind of freaked out. Is eska mar shin agla occur air. Is eska ta she foresta, it's easy to make him scared. Brishan a cuj narrow gegen buncha shots sa scale, and his nerves are kind of wrecked at this point in the story, which is what she's depending on, obviously. Nura Hagan and Cafe, so when it does come, Coran Paul Jaisteen Catherine, he disgusts her, Lena Nosana Ihakain, with his habits of eating. Nosana Ihakain, Tashi Gihe or Nos Mwika, August Olakain, like plug she sheer on Cafe. Goi Jaistinach. Edus baya dirchin she on shukra an mord. So to begin with, he spills the sugar on the table, an mord an tabla, agus ni carrion Catherine lesh, occurs jack in a cup on, ni kuji and she lesh. She doesn't help him out to get it into the cup. On shin alpen she and Cáca, then he kind of gulps down the cake, agus olan she and cafe go glorach, and he drinks the coffee go glorach noisily. Feckin with your crasstuck to Afak, but we see his kindness, nor a current she and Cáca os cornum ra, hon pisa a harishkanti, when he puts the cake os cornum ra in front of the woman, see ban changing to namra, tishel genijach, hon pisa a harishkanti to offer her a slice. So taken with John Shaw, Gordinia Kinyal to A Paul. Jeru here. In the end, sa Jeru, Fayan and Farbucht boss, Marialler a Haintucht Fain. He dies because of Marialler a Haintucht Fain, his naivety. So Santa is naive, Saintucht naivety. Agus Malish, agus Ulcus Namra, agus Gangij Namra. Malish and the badness, the evil of the woman. I will share the V.A.R. Bulule here in train that he's so unlucky to meet up with on the train. Ta parch larnach ege in a was hain inganis do hain marshin. So he has a parch larnach, a central part in his own death, inganis do hain, without realizing it, of course, because he's innocent, he doesn't know what's going on around him. Agus ni dinna jas on Gomalesh Gilshin timer sogum. Stad. Okay. So, yeah, feckin with John Shaw gur far jas Kenyalta Carjul Kainchuk A Paul on far Dall, agus gur druch ginye gur van ulk lan le fua agus me ainias. She's full of impatience and nastiness and hate. Berchata ain't a jo differil agus shin and far romuji Kainchan la hana riviera in a shark dinye. Fuin Kivlinch Saskanansha, we talked about the conflict. So, Suas dan la new, Vina noti Marial tema and Scanain. You had to know the notes for today for the theme. You had to know Kivlinch, conflict. Hugme Shindiv Jardine Shahui Heart. Anocht Tame Giri Govola Moi Shivna Noti Marial Paul on Far Dall Saskanan. So Curry Mishu Suas, I'll put up another tutorial on my notes on Paul on Far Dall and Train. Michael Yor, the Shin Lafola Mog of Dunla March. Gurmaigav, Slan.